Louisiana, we are here. This is state number 31st, so we have 19 more to go. We're getting closer to the 50, baby. The first stop right here is Bonnie and Clyde's death shot. They actually got killed here. The weather is crazy. It was just sunny.
Oh no!
That lake looked amazing. It's called Black Lake.
A cute horsey.
That was a beautiful town. Wow, it's called Nattichokes. We're on our way to taste Louisiana fried chicken.
So excited!
Like 20 cars ahead of us. Good, how you?
Oh my god, I can't wait to try.
Look at how greasy that is. But it was so good. The flesh of the meat is so well cooked and the seasoning is so good that you could taste it even without the skin. Wow.
And now I'm still eating.
That yesterday after I pumped gas, we just knocked out in the car. Ready to see Louisiana. This is Cypress Lake. That's it for Lafayette. We are in Baton Rouge, and that building we just passed is the old Capitol building. We're finally going to New Orleans. We're gonna see Mardi Gras and where Lil Wayne is from. Wow, I can't believe I'm here. This is actually a place where one of my favorite rappers growing up actually spent time in here. This is crazy. That's fire. Lil Wayne, can I get an autograph? It has good taste. I would definitely live there. Yo, this sky looks amazing. I can't leave here without tasting that slushy. We got some food too. Right now I'm gonna call it a night. Try to get drunk, nah, just playing. And enjoy this night. See you guys tomorrow. Woo! What's up? It's another day. You already know we're about to continue seeing Louisiana. We plan to finish here today in New Orleans and head to Mississippi, which is next. Let's go. we found another famous, wonderful Louisiana chicken spot.
Fried chicken.
Yo, that chicken was everything a chicken is supposed to be. Wow. This is where we're gonna end our trip of Louisiana. We're gonna keep traveling. We're gonna see you guys in
Mississippi.